In today's video, I'm going to teach you how top web design agencies are building sites in 2025 using Wix Studio. As we move through this whirlwind of tech advancement, Wix Studio has emerged as an integral tool for agencies, serving not just as a visual builder, but as an all-in-one platform enhancing efficiency, collaboration, and client empowerment. Agencies have significantly revolutionized their planning and prototyping stages. Gone are the days when initial wireframing took up vast amounts of time. Instead, the AI visual sitemap and wireframe generator swiftly set up a foundational structure and page hierarchy, all in line with the client's brief. Think of it as your quick start guide, getting everything laid out from the get-go. Not to be left behind, design teams are utilizing Figma's integration capabilities. Here, they craft high-fidelity mockups and then, with the convenience of the Figma to Studio plugin, transition their designs seamlessly into the live editor. This feature dramatically cuts down the time from design creation to development, letting you focus more on refining rather than waiting. Now, let's dive into high-fidelity design and responsiveness. Agencies are tapping into advanced layout tools like CSS Grid, Flexbox, and Stack to achieve intricate, modern designs. These tools offer pixel-perfect control, the type you could previously get only through custom coding or other platforms. Moreover, Wix Studio's responsive AI comes in handy, automatically optimizing layouts for various screen sizes. And for those particularly intricate designs, the use of custom breakpoints allows for manual adjustments, ensuring every device displays the design flawlessly. What about those instances when unique functionalities are on the agenda? That's where Velo by Wix steps in. Developers can add custom JavaScript and backend functions directly within the platform. This means, without the need to jump back and forth across environments, you can build sophisticated features like custom API integrations or advanced animations. In tandem, utilizing custom CSS allows agencies to craft signature design effects, offering that unique touch to each project. Collaboration and project management have also reached new heights. Imagine handling all client sites, billing, team roles, and support tickets from one centralized hub. That's the unified workspace for you. It's a game changer for scaling operations effectively. Plus, with real-time editing, designers and developers can work on the same website canvas simultaneously. The on-canvas commenting feature introduces a streamlined feedback loop, allowing teammates and clients to tag specific elements for discussion, dramatically reducing endless email exchanges. Meanwhile, reusable assets like design libraries ensure brand consistency and speed by sharing custom global sections, widgets, and design templates across teams. Finally, we move into client handoff and maintenance, where content mode becomes a major selling point. By empowering clients to update text and images without altering the design structure, agencies ensure the site's layout remains intact. Customized handoff using client kits guarantees an easy transition, providing personalized tutorials and guides within the client's dashboard. Adding to this is a budding opportunity for passive revenue. By keeping clients on Wix, agencies benefit from a recurring revenue share from hosting and premium business applications, like Wix bookings or e-commerce. This strategy not only retains client loyalty, but also crafts a more sustainable business model. That's how the industry trailblazers make the most out of Wix Studio in 2025,